Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize control center on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So first of all, let's open the control center. You need to swipe from the top towards the middle on the right side of your phone. And of course over here we have our control center. In order to start customizing it, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in order to find the options to add and remove buttons. So if you want to remove a control, then you can simply tap on the minus sign in the top left corner of the control, and there we go, it is gone. You can also press add a control in order to add your own one, and of course you can also press and hold and then drag it somewhere else so that you change the position of the control. And once you are done, all you need to do is pretty much tap anywhere in order to edit, to stop editing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!